This video is about Nikola Tesla's 369 method, and how can you use it to manifest your desire and how it is aligned with the law of attraction of power of subconscious mind and how you can use it for the manifestation part. Now all of you are aware about Nikola Tesla. He was the greatest scientist of all time. He was greatest genius, and the greatest mind you can say, not just scientifically, but in terms of even spiritual understanding of the universe. He was a genius. He was an enlightening, he was a scientist and so much more. But I'm not going to talk a lot about that because you can Google it and find it. And then one of the most teaching of Nikola Tesla was the universe is made, energy and vibration, and that thing is basis of all his creation, like alternate, current, and then so many things he has developed, because if I'm going to talk about those things, this video will be 3-4 hours long, and you can find it. Find many more videos about his life and his experiments and his inventions and everything on YouTube and Google. So you can, if you are not yet aware about that, you can look for it. He was the greatest mind ever. Nikola Tesla in his experiment, or in his understanding, he found out that these 3 numbers are kind of magic numbers or divine numbers. And there are so much of significance around the universe about these 3 numbers. And again, there are a lot of math or experiment behind. I'm not going to explain, because that will be a lot. What I want to give you quickly here is how you can use this. This method 369, this 3 unique number 3, 6 and 9 for your manifestation part. So Nikola Tesla, these 3 numbers 3, 6, 9 are the unique number among everything. And they have a significant, and that is why even many of even in our spiritual teaching or spiritual processes, there are many things we do for a repetitive number of time for a certain number of time. And usually most of the number, if you add on it'll either be a 3 or 6 or 9, like, especially in Hindu religion. Most of the time Hindu chant mantra for 108, add up to 9, or they do fasting for 21 days or 21. Again, add up to 3. So like this, there are so many things are there, but how you are going to use it. So there are many people talk about in many ways, but the most significant or the powerful ways or the best way. The easiest ways like this. Choose a goal and set a statement. For that goal, write that goal down, like I am manifesting. If you are manifesting a dream job or health or money or relationship or whatever it is that you are manifesting, you form a sentence or a goal and you write it down. It should be 1 or 2 sentences so that when you write it down, you'll feel some energy and emotions. So you may write, like I am getting my dream job, and then you mention everything about maybe salary company. The kind of environment you want like that, or I'm manifesting relationship or I have manifested my relationship, and what all you want to experience in that relationship you can write, or I am losing weight and I'm feeling perfectly healthy or I am perfectly attending my perfect weight and I'm fit strong. Healthy like this. Or if you are manifesting money, you can write from where it is coming or how it is coming and how joyful you are. So write your statement like that, and then how you are using it in 369 method. The easiest way is like every day you are going to write that goal 3 times, then 6 times and then 9 times during the day. So first thing you are going to do is write this goal 3 times in the morning in your journal and try to feel as much of positivity as you can. Then you keep it aside then during the evening or afternoon, whenever you have time between afternoon, till again. Write it down 6 times. So 6 repetitions of the same goal. And then again, before going to sleep at night, write it down 9 more times. So 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and then again, 9 times at night. Before going to sleep this way, you are going to create the vibration and this way you are totally going to repeat the goal or the desire that you for about 18 times during the whole day. Now, when you do it, when you repeat it 3 times, like during 3 different timelines during the day, your focus will be on your goals. And when you keep on increasing like 3 times, 6 times and 9 times your energy and focus on the goal will get stronger and you don't get distracted towards the negativity pain or any blocking energy. So it's like you'll be initiating the energy and focus on your goal in the morning by writing it 3. Then you'll be accelerating that energy when you write it 6 times in the afternoon or evening. And then you'll be building up the momentum to really focus the energy by writing it 9 times at night. Before going to sleep. And you know that what you focus before going to sleep is the most important time and the most powerful time. And that's what I've explained in my earlier video of sleep technique. If you're yet towards that technique, then you can check the link in the description. And after writing it 9 times, even while sleeping, you keep repeating the goal in your mind and visualize it and feel it. So by aligning Nikola Tesla's 369 method, along with the sleep technique, it'll even become a lot more powerful. So this is a very simple matter, where we use the power of repetition. I have been talking about the power of repetition while manifesting something, because when we repeatedly focus on a goal and we keep repeating it, our focus and attention get stronger. And that's when we manifest. Remember the focus experiment we did in the earlier. And if you have done it, let me know in the comment section that when we focus on something, wherever or whatever, we focus on strongly and consistently, that's where we manifest or attract in our life. Wherever our attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what we manifest. Now let me know in the comment section which goal you are going to focus or use. And you can repeat this process for 21 days or 33 days or 45 days like that, so that until you feel that certain certainty within you, you know that the manifestation is on its way. And this is a very simple and powerful process.